Hi, readers. I'm excited today because today we're going to continue on with nonfiction. And I love gathering up nonfiction books about topics that I'm interested in. I wonder if you gathered up some nonfiction books off your shelf about topics you like to read about. I started to read about butterflies because these guys are coming out and I'm so excited, and I just love reading about things that are happening. So I gathered up all the butterfly books I could find and started reading in them because I love to learn about fun topics. So I even got one about bees because it's that time of year, and if we're talking butterflies and we're talking spring and flowers, we're also talking about bees. So I sat down and read up on some butterfly books, and in one of the books I read, it told me that butterflies need to drink nectar, and they drink it from a tongue-like structure called a proboscis. It's like a straw, and they suck the nectar out of the flowers. That was so cool. So I looked up in the back of, which one did I find in this book? It told me about the proboscis and the nectar, and I looked up nectar in the back because this book, this nonfiction book, has what's called a glossary. And a glossary is a great part of a nonfiction book that has all the interesting vocabulary words that you read in that book listed, and they tell you the meaning of all those words, which is awesome. So nectar was in here, and I looked it up, and it said nectar is a sweet liquid. And it says it's a sweet liquid found in flowers that butterflies drink. So perfect. I'm going to find some recipes for nectar, and I'm going to make up a little bit of nectar and put it on a sponge and put it in with our butterflies so they have something to drink while they're here before we let them go. Reading about interesting topics is so fun, and I hope you're actually going to be able to gather some of those up again today when you go do your independent reading, and find some maybe on the art bookshelf for you to explore and learn about. It's so cool that we're reading about topics and we're also writing about topics. So in writing, you get to pick a main topic and you get to write all about that topic. And in reading today, we're going to do the opposite. In reading today, we're going to read a section and we're going to try and figure out what was the topic this author was writing all about. So you're going to listen to me read a part of the shark bite section, and then you're going to decide, what's the main topic here? What is this section all about? Are you ready to get started? Okay, so on the next few slides, listen carefully and then try to determine the main topic. Okay, guys, see you soon.